So this video is about decimal to octal conversion in digital electronics number system. So decimal is nothing but a number with the base 10 to the octal number, that is the number with the base 8. So I have told in my previous video during this decimal to binary conversion a general formula for decimal to any number. Decimal to any number is simply nothing but divide by the base of the required number. Divide by the base of the required number. So here you have to divide the decimal number with the base 8. You will get the value of the octal value. You will get it. So now we will convert 112 is a decimal number to the octal number. So simply divide the number 112 by using division method and write down the remainder here. 8 divided by 112. So the number is 814. 814. 814 So 814 is 1112. So the remainder is 0. Then we will write 8. We should divide 14 by using 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. So the remainder is 6. So now we have to again divide the number 1 by using 8, but it is impossible. So we will write as it is. The remainder is 1 and the quotient is 0 here. Dividend is 0 here. Now we will take this as MSB and write the value of the octal number. 160 is the octal value for decimal number 1112. So this was a simple problem where there was no decimal points involved. What if decimal points are involved? Like this, 25.625 to the base 10 converted to base 8. How? This is how. So in the previous example, if you watch the video decimal to binary conversion, you can solve it easily. Same technique. Divide it as 2 parts. Get the value of 25 separately, get the value of 0.625 separately. For this, simply divide the number by the base 8. So base is 8 here. So 8 3s are 24. So the remainder is 1. So this cannot be solved again. So write 8 here. So 3 divided by 8 will get in fraction. So it is 0, quotient is 0. The remainder is 3. So this is 13 is the value of 25 in octal. So how to convert 0.625? Here there you have divided by 8 the base. 8 is the base there. So here multiply with the base. Base is 8 here. 0.625 into 8 is 0.625 into 8 is 5.00. 5.00. The rule is you should multiply with the base until and unless you get 0 after the decimal point. So you got 0 here. 0 at the first element itself. So there is no need to continue this. Take the value before the decimal point. 5 is the 0.5 is the value of 0.625 in octal. So the final answer is 13.5 is the value in octal, decimal to octal conversion. This was about decimal to octal.